Hey, it's Tony from Remote Vans. We are building the best connected, most powerful and comfortable vans in the industry. Wanted to give you a video here to go over a finished Friday unit. This is actually the very first one we've gotten back with all our new branding package installed on it. We think it looks fantastic. Check out the other video, which goes over the build process, all the quality and the materials that we put into this thing. But I'm gonna just go step by step and kind of show you what a completed unit looks like. So this is our branding package. Like I said, I think it looks fantastic. It's bold, it's clean, it's futuristic. Now this is optional, it's not your style, but we think that most people are really gonna love it as much as we do. So we get these sprinters direct from the factory. These things are brand new. They've got literally every comfort and premium option you could put on these things. And then our craftsmen get to work and they put anything and everything that you're gonna need on these things. One of the things I want to point out here on the exterior are these 17-inch Mandris alloy wheels. And then we put these all-terrain tires on there. We also put a special kit that expands the wheel well here so that you don't have any rubbing. We also have the option from the factory, which is a little bit better suspension in the back for better comfort and ride. So these things will take you pretty much anywhere you want to go in comfort and style. All right, so let me take you inside, show you around. Every single van that we sell here at Remote Vans comes from the factory with pretty much all the same options. We don't even start working on a van unless it has basically every premium comfort and convenience option you can get from Mercedes. Big screen, power seats, all the toys are in this thing. We want you to enjoy these vans to the utmost. So our Friday units come with this really cool flooring product from a company called 2Tech2. This is a woven vinyl, so it has a very soft touch to it, but this thing is tough as nails and cleans up beautifully. We also have 8 D-rings in the floor here, so you can lash any sort of material or items that you have in the back with some bungee cords or some mesh webbing. You got 4 up here, you got 4 more in the rear of the van. This is our custom proprietary shoebox storage unit. So this is to put your sandals, your dirty shoes, your dog's leash. We also design everything else in-house. We have our custom powder-coated trim here, and instead of like most companies do, they'll put in a self-tapping screw to hold stuff like this down. We actually put in an insert into the floor, and these are threaded bolts. So this comes in and out very easy. Not that you need to take it in and out a lot, but it's just a kind of a mark of quality that we're really proud of. So we only use top quality materials here. You'll find a lot of other van builders use cheap Chinese diesel heaters. We don't do that. This is a genuine S-bar diesel heater, an S2D2. This will feed itself off the diesel tank of the van. So as long as you have more than a quarter tank, you can stay warm and toasty no matter what the temperature is. So we got our custom shelf, upholstered shelf system up front. We've got L-track here, so you can mount things like an iPad or anything else you want to mount and have access to from the front of the van. We also install all of our Friday units with a WeBoost system. You can't quite see it, it's kind of hidden and installed up in the shelf here, but you got a switch right here to turn it on and off. Basically what this does is when you're somewhere that you're only getting 1 bar, 2 bars of cell reception, this will bump it up a bar or 2. So you can go way out into the wilderness when you just barely have any reception. This will boost that reception, and there's an antenna mounted to the roof, and there's also an internal antenna right here that will rebroadcast that boosted signal all throughout your van, so you can stay connected anywhere you go. So here's a control panel for all of our Friday units. You can reach it from bed, you can reach it from the front of the van as well. Now we add 220 extra amp hours of battery power. We put that under the hood, out of the way. And then we use all genuine Victron components, and these are smart components that you can control and administer from your smartphone. Really cool stuff. So you can see the readout here of how much power you have left at any given time. You also got your controller here for your S-bar heater, as well as a dimmable overhead light and a USB-C charge point for your phone. Now there's all sorts of things you might want to power with the extra juice that we give you, but some of the things we include for you are Max Air Deluxe fan. So this is a fan with a hood, automatically raises and lowers. You can use this thing in the rain. It's great for keeping the inside comfortable and dry. We also include in all Friday units a Dometic 55-liter fridge. So this is a 12-volt fridge, plugs right into one of the 12-volt sockets on the wall here. And this thing will run pretty much indefinitely with the 320 watts of solar that we also include on the roof. So we talked about it in the build video for the Friday, but you can't see it now in the finished product. But just to let you know again, you've got a layer of sound insulation everywhere, all parts of this van, top, sides, and floor. You've got 2 layers of thermal insulation, again, everywhere. You've got 1/4-inch Baltic birch on the ceiling and the walls, which is the highest marine grade wood that you can use in a van. You've got a layer of closed cell foam, and then you have a layer of premium upholstery on top of that. So you have multiple layers between you and the elements. These vans are super quiet, they stay super warm in the winter, and they stay super cool in the summer. These vans are ready to go anywhere right now. So everything about our bed system is custom. We use nothing off the shelf. Our bed system here can be set at any given height, so you can have this a little bit higher if you want to fit a dirt bike or something else high in the back to transport. It could also be set lower if you want a little extra headroom. We can also work with you on the length of it. If you are super tall, these can go out to 77 inches easily. That's 6'5", so pretty much anybody can fit in these beds. These mattresses, our supplier custom cuts these to fit the shape of our bed exactly. They're 5-inch, they're latex foam, they're super duper comfortable. They've got a nice plush top layer on here. They're also tri-fold, so the back of this, you can basically pop the back up, move it back a little bit, it turns into a couch. Whether you want to sit up here and relax, you can actually move it down to the bottom area to look out the side of a van for a nice sunset. It's a very flexible system, and it's quite frankly really fantastic to sleep on. Our entire design philosophy here at Remote Vans is futuristic and clean, and we think it shows in what we've put together here. From our inlaid LED strips, to our bolt system, which means you can get this stuff in and out very easy, to our zigzag ceiling, which people seem to really enjoy. I think we really capture the design aesthetic that we're going for, and we think a lot of other people out there too will love it. So most of the time, we get the chassis from Mercedes, we build them in our shop, we deliver them complete. But it's been harder and harder to get chassis, especially in 2022. So if you have a 2019 or newer Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144, and you'd like us to add the Friday package to it, do everything you've seen in this video, contact us, we'll definitely work with you. We've built the Friday to be the perfect, flexible platform that can take you anywhere you want to go today, but also as a van you could grow into. We've added both single and double captain's chairs or bench seats in the back for folks. We've had the bed raised so you can fit dirt bikes in the back. We've rearranged the layout a bit with a small kitchen orientation with a sink so you could slide a kayak in and out and still have room to clean up afterwards. Talk to us about what you're going to use this van for, and either it's before you pick it up or you come back to us a year from now. We can add to this van over time. It's the perfect solution to get you on the road today, but let you grow into it over time. Contact us, reach out, let us know if you have any interest. We'd be happy to answer any questions about these vans. We're excited about this product, and we're excited to get these out, and we're excited to help you kind of take the adventures you want.